What's up, guys? M here. I just want to go over why we don't have the Ram 50 here, tell you guys a little background story, and show you guys a few things that we're doing for the Ram 50 right now. So we've got the new treads for the rims. We've got two 1570 14s, all four, you know. But right now we're currently working on cleaning them up. And that there is probably the worst one.
I'm pretty sure that that's actually old Fix-A-Flat that's been sitting on that rim, because the other three don't have it on there.
Yeah, that is true. The other three do not have it.
Pretty nasty stuff. See what the wire wheel does for it.
Not bad.
Cleans up pretty good.
Cleans up really nice. We've already done the inside of this one. Oh yeah. Alright, well, while she finishes cleaning up those, I'm going to explain to you guys where the Ram 50 is right now and what's going on with it and what we're waiting for. The Ram 50 is at a friend of ours' shop. We're waiting for them to take the 2.0 that's in it out, and then we can start getting it here. We have tires for the rims that we'll put on it. We'll get it towed here as soon as we can. You know, I mean, if I could, I'd like to go over there and tow it in their shop and take out the motor myself, but they've got other customer stuff going on, so I can't do that. Yeah, that's about it. Well, we got the tires. We're cleaning up the rims, waiting for them to take the motor out. Oh, yeah, the 2.0 that they're going to take out of the Ram 50 is supposed to be going in a Mighty Max that's out there. So it's practically the same truck, just a different name. And, yeah, I'm ready to take this 318 out and slap it in there. It's going to be some work, a little bit of fab. I can't do something a little more, do a little more critical thinking on a build, you know. This one, you know, she's pretty much straightforward if you get, you know, Mopar parts. I mean, we're doing Mopar to Mitsubishi, so it's going to be a little different. I mean, the Ram 50 it was made in Japan. I'm pretty sure, yeah, our Defender tag said it was made in Japan for Dodge. So it's an import Dodge, you know. We're going to slap a American 318 in it and just have fun with her, you know. So if you guys want to keep up with everything, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.